In our fast-paced and often chaotic world, many people are seeking a deeper meaning, purpose, and connection in their lives. Spirituality offers a transformative path that can profoundly impact our well-being and help us navigate the challenges of life with greater clarity and inner peace. In this video, we will explore the importance of spirituality and how it can benefit everyone, regardless of their background or beliefs. I request you to watch the complete video so that you learn something new today. Also, half knowledge is dangerous, so stay tuned till the end with me. Spirituality goes beyond religious affiliations and is accessible to all individuals, irrespective of their specific beliefs. At its core, spirituality is about cultivating a deep and meaningful relationship with oneself, others, and the broader universe. It encompasses a range of practices, perspectives, and experiences that can enhance our lives in various ways. Let's delve into the key reasons why spirituality is important and how it can positively impact our lives. Reason 1. Inner peace and well-being. Spirituality provides a pathway to inner peace, emotional well-being, and a sense of serenity amidst life's challenges. It offers tools and practices, such as meditation, mindfulness, and prayer, that help us cultivate a calm mind, reduce stress, and find solace in the present moment. By nurturing our spiritual well-being, we enhance our overall mental, emotional, and physical health. Reason 2. Finding meaning and purpose. Spirituality offers us a framework to explore the deeper meaning and purpose of our lives. It encourages us to reflect upon our values, passions, and unique talents, allowing us to align our actions with what truly matters to us. By living in alignment with our purpose, we experience a greater sense of fulfillment, satisfaction, and a renewed zest for life. Reason 3. Connection and interconnectedness. Spirituality reminds us of the inherent interconnectedness of all beings and the web of life. It nurtures compassion, empathy, and love for ourselves and others, fostering harmonious relationships and a sense of unity. Through spiritual practices, we deepen our connection to the divine or higher power, recognizing that we are part of something greater than ourselves. Reason 4. Wisdom and self-discovery. Engaging in spiritual practices and exploring our inner selves allows us to tap into our innate wisdom and intuition. It helps us gain clarity, insight, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Through self-discovery, we uncover our authentic selves and cultivate a greater sense of self-acceptance and self-love. Reason 5. Resilience and coping with challenges. Spirituality provides a framework for navigating life's challenges and setbacks with resilience and grace. It teaches us to embrace uncertainty, surrender control, and trust in a higher power or universal intelligence. Spirituality offers solace, guidance, and strength during difficult times, helping us find meaning and growth even in the face of adversity. Spirituality is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It is a deeply personal and individual journey. There are countless paths, practices, and philosophies to explore, allowing each person to find what resonates with them. Whether it's through meditation, prayer, nature, mindfulness, or other practices, spirituality invites us to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery, growth, and connection. In conclusion, spirituality is important because it offers us a profound opportunity to cultivate inner peace, find meaning and purpose, foster connections, discover our wisdom, and navigate life's challenges with resilience. It provides a pathway for personal growth, self-exploration, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. By embracing spirituality, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities. We become more attuned to our inner selves, listening to the whispers of our intuition and connecting with our true desires and passions. This self-awareness allows us to make choices that are aligned with our values and purpose, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and joy. Whether you are just beginning your spiritual journey or have been walking this path for a while, remember that spirituality is a personal and evolving experience. Explore different practices, philosophies, and perspectives to find what resonates with you. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to grow, learn, and transform along the way. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of why spirituality is important. May this video inspire you to embark on your own spiritual journey, embrace the transformative power of spirituality, and live a life filled with inner peace, purpose, and connection. Remember, the path to spirituality is unique for each individual, but the rewards are boundless.